Okay, today is exactly 7 days. What you have done is smart FUE, lowering hairline and lowering the hairline around the frontal angle here. After the consultation, patient decided that she wanted this hairline where here is 2.5 centimeter down and from the angle here is about 4 centimeter. Today at least 7 days, patient have done a superb graft care. We are very happy to see today all the microscalp is out. All the graft is in a perfect density, right angle and right direction from here, here and here. Well, would you like to share something about your journey of your smart FUE?
I'm very happy with the result, and doctor is very nice and nurse is also very helpful. Service is good. Overall is good.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect.